Good morning, children. History, Chapter 3, Birth of Prophet Muhammad and Spread of Islam. Theme is Rise and Spread of Islam. Introduction. In 570 CE, an event that radically altered the course of world history took place in Mecca, a small town in Arabia. This event was the birth of Prophet Muhammad, the founder of Islam. Arabia in 600 AD. The Arabs at that time were divided into a number of tribes that were constantly at war with one another. Their lives were hard and they were poor. They were also superstitious and believed in numerous gods whose images they worshipped. Prophet Muhammad, during his travels, came in contact with the Christians and the Jews and was impressed with their religious beliefs and practices. Prophet Muhammad family. He born at Mecca in the powerful Quraysh tribe. Muhammad was orphaned at a very early age and was brought up by his uncle. He helped his uncle in his trading business and travelled far and wide with the caravans. Transformation. As Muhammad grew older, he spent a lot of time in prayer and meditation in a cave in the mountains. Around 610 CE, he had a vision of angel Gabriel, who revealed God's divine message to him. Muhammad, the prophet, carried the word of God or Allah to the people of Mecca. He declared that Allah was the one and only God and Muhammad was his prophet. A new religion called Islam was born. The word Islam means submission. The followers of Islam, Muslims, are those who submit to the will of Allah. The teachings of Muhammad were recorded in the Quran, the holy book of Muslims. Muhammad forbade idol worship and stressed the importance of good and kind behavior. His teachings angered the rich Arabs, and Muhammad and his small band of followers were forced to shift to Medina in 622 CE. Muhammad's move from Mecca to Medina is known as Hijrat. The Muslim calendar Hijri begins from the year of Hijrat. The people of Medina welcomed Muhammad. Within 10 years, he had won considerable support. His supporters included a small but devoted army, which was ready to lay down its life for the sake of Islam. Muhammad returned to Mecca and defeated his enemies. The people of Mecca eventually adopted the Islamic faith. This is how Mecca and Medina become the two holy places of the Muslims. Main principles of Islam. There is only one God and Muhammad is his prophet. Muslims must say their prayers 5 times a day. They must fast from dawn to dusk during Ramadan. They must help the poor and the needy and give away a part of their wealth in charity. They must make pilgrimage to Mecca at least once in their lifetime. They must be good and kind to others. Spread of Islam. Rise of the Caliphate. Muhammad died in 632 CE, by which time all of Arabia had converted to Islam. After Muhammad's death, Abu Bakr, his faithful friend and follower, was selected as his successor. Abu Bakr took the title of Khalifa or Caliph. Caliph was the title given to the head of the Muslim community. He became the religious and political head of the people. Islamic expansion. Abu Bakr mobilized and transformed the Arabs into an excellent fighting force. He and his successors inspired the Arab armies to sweep across countries and continents and carry the word of Allah throughout the world. Inspired by missionary zeal, these invincible and extraordinary Arab armies conquered vast territories. Their empire stretched over Iran, Syria, Central Asia, North Africa, and Spain. Having conquered such expensive territories, they built fine cities such as Damascus, Baghdad, Cairo, encouraged agriculture, industry, and trade. And above all, they developed a magnificent and vibrant civilization.